What's up, everybody? So welcome back to the Final Cut Pro series. This is the third episode, which I'm going to focus on the top best tools that you should know or you must use actually. So I'm going to tell you guys how to use those tools and how useful they are. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into this. Okay guys, so in this video I will be focusing on different tools that I use in Final Cut Pro. So the tools are here. Click on the drop down icon. You can see there are 7 tools. However, I'm going to introduce only 3 of them. Okay, so the first tool that I recommend you to use is Select. As you can see, it's here already. Or you can select this tool with the shortcut of A. The job of the select tool is to select the clips. As you can see in this timeline, I have 2 different clips, okay, this one and this one. So with this select tool, I can swap this clip to the front or to the back or even on each other. The next tool that I would like you to use or to know is what we call blade, but you can access these two through the shortcut letter B, okay, A and B. So you see the icon here? It's like a blade. The blade means to cut the clips or split the clip into different parts. For example, if you hover the mouse over the clip, you can see the preview on the preview screen. For example, I want the video start from here, so I cut it here. When I cut it here, I select the select tool. So now I have 3 different clips, as you can see, and the purpose of using the blade tool is to cut the part that you don't want. Okay, so I cut this one and then I delete, meaning that my video will start right from this point. The third one that I would like you to know as well is the zoom tool. Just click on zoom tool, you see this, click on the video or the clips on the timeline, making it easier for you to split the part that you don't want to include in your video by using the blade later. Okay, I think in the first episode I already talked about it, which you can find this expanding thing onto this one. Yeah, you see that, but without coming through here, you can use the shortcut Z, okay, to get the zoom tool. How about to zoom out? This is zoom in. How about zoom out? Making it smaller. By making it smaller, what you have to do is to hold the option key and click it. So it's back. Okay. So the advantage of using the zoom key is it makes you edit your video faster. The thing is, if you are working on the MacBook, you don't have to use the zoom function, because on the MacBook you can use the trackpad where you just use your 2 fingers to pinch it backward and forward, so that will just expand the clips on the timeline, okay, which is even more convenient than working on the iMac. But if you have no choice, you have to work on the iMac, so the zoom key is very important. Like me, the most important 2 tools that I have been using so far are the select and the blade. Another tool is trim, which starts with the letter T. This one is, for example, as you can see, this is one clip. Okay, this is a clip. For example, the last clips start from this part, but I want to change it. Okay, I want to start from the top of my smartphone to the bottom. So I use trim. To make it simpler, you can just hover your mouse and make sure that you can see this sign. Okay, and then you can drag it to wherever you want, because this is from part of the clip. If you do like that, you're trying to expand to the original clip. However, the trim works differently. If you choose the trim, again, if the video start from here, from here, right? But I want it to start from the computer, for example. So I go to trim, I select on this, video or the clip only. So I drag it like this. So now, as you can see, the next one that I would like to talk about is the position. Position means, for example, I want to drag this clip into the middle of this one. If I use the select tool, I cannot do that. But with position, if I drag that clip to the middle, look what happened. Okay, it just stay in the middle. It splits that clip into two parts, and the clip that you drag into will be in the middle. Okay, next is range selection. So range selection is you just select the range of the clips that you want. Okay, which is useless, honestly. Last one is hand. I don't see any point of using hand. Okay, for example, let me show you an example. Why do we need hand? Because when we expand the video like this, if you want to go to the back of the video, you want to edit something on the video at the back, what you have to do is to put a cursor here and use the arrow key. Okay, that is why here is hands is useful. With the hand, you can drag like this. You can go to the front of the video and you can pull to the back. However, with Magic Mouse or the trackpad, you don't have to do that, because with one finger on the Magic Mouse, you just do like this. Okay, scroll it from the right to the left, scroll it from the left to the right. Okay, it will just move without using the hands tool. Okay, or on the trackpad, what you need to do is to use two fingers and scroll from the right to the left or from the left to the right. Once again, in this video, my purpose is to introduce only 3 important tools to help you produce the videos effectively. So again, the most important tools are select, blade, and the last one is zoom. Use these 3 tools, you will find out that it will be more effective for you and you will be able to edit the videos more quickly. Okay, so I think it should be all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know in the comment down below. I hope to see you guys in the next episode.